Fill in the blanks. The layer of ozone gas absorbs dash rays that come from the sun to the earth. Ultraviolet. Of the total water available on the earth, fresh water forms dash percent 0.3. Both dash and dash constituents are present in the soil. Abiotic and biotic. Why is it said that? The ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are very harmful for living things. The ozone gas absorbs these rays. As a result, life on earth is protected. Therefore, the ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth. Water is life. The blood of animals and the sap in plants contain a very high proportion of water. No living thing can survive without water. Therefore, it is said that water is life. Sea water is useful even though it is not potable. Many fish and aquatic animals live in sea water. The water from the sea evaporates to form clouds which brings rain. The sea water also helps the land to cool due to breezes. The salt and minerals are also obtained from sea water. Corals and pearls are obtained from sea animals. Thus, sea water is useful even though it is not potable. What will happen if microbes in the soil get destroyed? Humus is the layer formed on soil due to the decomposition of dead plants and animals by microbes. Humus supplies nutrients to the soil. Humus is also important for aerating the soil and for holding water in the soil. If microbes are destroyed, humus will not be formed and the soil will not become fertile, making it unsuitable for growth of plants. Also, dead and decaying matter will accumulate on land. The number of vehicles and factories in your surroundings increases. Vehicles and factories are the major cause of air pollution. They release harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide into the air. These pollutants are harmful to the environment and to the people living in the surrounding area. Hence, if the number of vehicles and factories in our surroundings increases, the air pollution will also increase. The total supply of potable water is finished. Water plays very important role in the survival of living organism. All living things are dependent on water. A very small quantity of water is potable and can be used for drinking. All bodily functions are regulated by water. Therefore, if total supply of potable water is finished, plants and animals will not survive and there will be no life on earth. Match the following: carbon dioxide, plants and food production; oxygen, combustion; water vapor, rain; microbes, generation of soil. Name the following: constituents of the biosphere, animals and plants; biotic constituents of soil, microbes, worms, insects, burrowing rodents like rats and mice; fossil fuel, kerosene, petrol and diesel; inert gases in air, neon, argon, helium, krypton and xenon; gases that are harmful to the ozone layer, chlorofluorocarbon and carbon tetrachloride. True or false? Land and soil are the same thing. False. The water in a lake is called groundwater. False. It takes about 1000 years to form a 25 centimeter thick layer of soil. False. Radon is used in decorative lights. False. Answer in your own words. Explain with the help of a diagram how soil is formed. Diagram of soil formation You have to draw yourself with the help of school teacher. The soil on the land is formed by a natural process. The abiotic components of soil are supplied through the weathering of the bedrock. Due to the heat, cold, and water of the sun, wind, and rain respectively, the bedrock breaks down into pieces. Stones, sand, and soil are formed from these pieces. Microbes, worms, and insects are found among them. Rodents like mice and rats are also found here. The roots of trees growing on the land also help weathering of rocks. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. Why is there a shortage of water even though it occupies about 71% of the Earth's surface? 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, of which 97% is salty water present in seas and oceans, and 2.7% water is available as groundwater, ice, and in other forms. Only 0.3% water is available as fresh water, which can be used for drinking. All the living organisms require water to drink. The water is used in the industry and also for farming. Due to increasing population and uncontrolled usage, we experience shortage of water. What are the various constituents of air? Write their uses. Air contains gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, inert gases, water vapor, and dust particles. The uses of constituents of air are as follows. Nitrogen. Proportion of nitrogen in atmosphere is 78%. Uses of nitrogen are: helps in building necessary proteins, in production of ammonia, airtight packaging of foodstuff. Oxygen. Proportion of oxygen in atmosphere is 21%. Uses of oxygen are: used in combustion, necessary for respiration. Carbon dioxide. Proportion of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is 0.03%. Uses of carbon dioxide are: used in fire extinguishers, used in plant food preparation. Inert gases: argon, helium, neon, krypton, xenon. Proportion of inert gases in atmosphere is 0.9%. Uses of inert gases are: electric bulb, used in airship, street light, fluorescent tubes, flash photography. Other constituents like dust, water vapor. Proportion in atmosphere is 0.7%. Uses is: used in formation of cloud, fog, dew, etc. Spread sunlight in all directions. Why are air, water, and land considered to be valuable natural resources? Air, water, and land are the factors important for sustaining the living world on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs. Therefore, air, water, and land are considered to be valuable natural resources. Can you tell what is land made of? Land is made up of soil, rocks, stone, etc. What do you see on land? We see mountains, valleys, rivers, oceans on the land. In urban areas, we see buildings and other constructions, bridges, roads, etc. In rural areas, we see farms and orchards and some tree cover. What has man created on land? Man has created different types of shelters, roads for transport, and agriculture farms on the land. Is land flat everywhere? No, land is not flat everywhere. It is flat in some regions and hilly in some regions. Does man produce soil land? Man can artificially produce soil land by reclamation. If a deep pit is dug in the ground, what do you find there? We see different layers of land. Can you recall what are the 5 layers of the atmosphere? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. Use your brain power. What are the constituents of soil? Classify them as biotic and abiotic constituents. The particles of soil, rocks and stones, etc. are the abiotic constituents of soil. The biotic constituents of soil are microbes, bacteria, unicellular protozoans, fungi, algae, small insects like ants and termites, worms, centipedes and earthworms, etc. What would have happened if there were no air on the earth? Air contains gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, dust particles and water vapor, which are used in various processes in living organisms and environment. If there is no air, then there will be no life, as oxygen is essential for all living beings to survive. Also, atmosphere is a very important filter. It prevents harmful elements from reaching the earth. Hence, without air, our earth would become a cold, dark planet without any life.